Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use communities feature on WhatsApp. So open up the WhatsApp here on Android or iPhone or iPad. Now at the top you are seeing four options: chat, status, calls, and this option. Okay, that is for communities. If you are unable to see that option, that means you need to update the app. So once you're here, now you can click on start your community. Right now you can give a name, upload a profile pic here for the community. So I'm giving it a name here, Avon. All right. For the description, you can enter a beautiful description here. I am just writing hey just for the purpose. For uploading, simply click on the camera icon here, and you can actually go to your gallery or camera. You can also use emojis for the uh, pic here. Okay, for the community. Okay, so once you're done, so you can simply click on the next option at the bottom. Now you need to add a group inside this one. Okay, now you can create a new group or you can add an existing group here. So I'm going to add an existing group. So there are so many groups here, so suppose I'm going to add this one. Right now, once you add the groups, you can actually add up to 50 groups inside the community. Okay, 50 group is the limit just beside the announcement group. All right, so once you do this, simply click on the next icon at the bottom, that is the green one, green arrow. Now once you do this, again simply click on right icon at the bottom. All right, now it is creating community here. Now you can see few more options, that is you can invite members here, you can add more groups inside this one. Now one more thing, important thing is that you can add around, now go back here to the chats, you can add up to 5,000 members inside this community. Okay, 50 groups, you can add up to 50 groups, and you can add up to 5,000 members beside the announcement group. So if you see here, if I click on here, so Avon is the announcement group here. Okay, so beside this one you can add up to 5,000 members inside this community. Okay, one more feature is that you can upload files up to 2 GB inside this community that you have just created. So it is also for the larger files, for sharing of larger files. So these are some of the features that you can use by creating communities on WhatsApp. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.